2D convertible and medium parchment W Verona grain leather trimmed bucket seats. Drop top. Get ready for the sun. Enjoy the warm weather driving around with the top down in this beautiful looking and fun 2005 Ford Mustang convertible. New car test drive said, Enqua. Its combination of high style, performance, and handling with a light touch can't be beat for this kind of money. Enqua. Put the top down and head out down the highway on a sunny afternoon. This 2005 Ford Mustang II-Doctor convertible features a 4.0 V6 SFISOHC 6-cylinder gasoline engine. It is equipped with a 4-speed automatic transmission. The vehicle is satin silver metallic with a medium parchment leather interior. It is covered by a limited warranty. Call now at 201-200-1100 or visit www.instateauto.com. You can see more photos of this vehicle, free Carfax reports and over 300 more cars, trucks, vans and SUVs. Auto financing is available on most vehicles, all credit accepted. We provide all the paperwork, bill of sale, titles, reassignments and temp tags. Buy right off the lot. We open at 9 a.m. every day. Air conditioning, climate control, cruise control, power steering, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, power driver's seat, clock, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, driver airbag, passenger airbag, keyless entry, security system, ABS brakes, rear defogger, intermittent wipers, AM/FM, CD player, CD changer, Shaker 500 premium sound system, leather interior surface rear spoiler, cup holders, heated mirrors, premium wheels.